Updating your billing address on Amazon is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your information is current. Step 1. Sign in. Go to the Amazon website and sign into your account using your email and password. Step 2. Access your account settings. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SRUC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Go to your addresses. In the Your Account section, find and click on your addresses. This will take you to a page where you can view and manage your saved addresses. Step 4. Edit billing address. Locate the billing address you want to update. Click on the edit button next to it. Make the necessary changes to your address details. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your billing address, make sure to click the Save button to apply the changes. You should see a confirmation message indicating that your address has been updated. Now your billing address is updated, and you can continue shopping with accurate information.